We've all heard the age-old adage, there are no shortcuts to success in life. Yet, paradoxically, some individuals seem to reach their goals with astonishing speed. What if we told you that life is, in fact, replete with shortcuts, and that recognizing and leveraging them is the key to expeditious success? In this comprehensive exploration, we'll unveil the secrets to achieving your dreams faster and more efficiently than you ever imagined. Chapter 1: Playing the Most Favorable Game. Have you ever wondered why a bottle of water at the airport costs 3 times more than at a grocery store? It's not just a coincidence, it's a lesson in resource allocation. Just as your money is spent wisely when you shop for groceries, your time and energy should be invested strategically. In this chapter, we'll delve into the concept that the game you choose to play in life matters more than how skilled you are at it. We'll demonstrate why aligning your strengths with the right game can make success more accessible. Chapter 2: Playing by the Book. Throughout history, humanity has accumulated millennia of wisdom and knowledge. From ancient Greece to modern times, certain fundamental principles remain unchanged. This chapter emphasizes the value of adopting tried and true strategies, rather than searching for elusive secrets. By replicating the success of others who have followed established paths, you can significantly expedite your own journey. Chapter 3: Playing it safe. Conventional wisdom often suggests that taking big risks leads to grand rewards. However, this chapter argues that the real shortcut lies in preserving your resources and mental well-being. It delves into the distinction between reckless risk-taking and calculated predictions, emphasizing the importance of making prudent decisions. Discover how safeguarding your assets and minimizing unnecessary risks can propel you forward. Chapter 4: Keeping it simple. In a world obsessed with complexity, simplicity is an underrated virtue. Successful entrepreneurs and investors understand that straightforward business models and portfolios are often the most effective. This chapter extols the virtue of simplicity in achieving your goals. By eliminating unnecessary complications and focusing on delivering consistent value, you can achieve remarkable results. Chapter 5: Finding like-minded people. One of the greatest shortcuts to success is collaborating with individuals who share your goals and aspirations. If you can't find such a group, create one yourself. This chapter explores the benefits of forming a community of like-minded individuals who can offer support, exchange ideas, and help you navigate the challenges on your journey. Learn how shared goals can lead to accelerated progress and amplified learning. Chapter 6: The Mentor Match. While finding like-minded peers is beneficial, identifying a mentor who has already achieved what you aspire to can be transformational. This chapter guides you through the process of finding a mentor who aligns with your values and objectives. Discover the profound impact a mentor can have on your personal and professional development and why this partnership is more than just a transfer of knowledge. Chapter 7: Fast-track learning. In today's fast-paced world, taking years to acquire knowledge is impractical. This chapter introduces the concept of fast-track learning, a strategic and focused approach to acquiring essential skills. Learn how to identify and absorb the core components of a skill or subject swiftly, putting knowledge into practice immediately. By honing this skill, you'll stay ahead of the curve and propel yourself toward success. Chapter 8: The Decision Matrix. Decision-making can be mentally taxing, even for the simplest choices. This chapter introduces the decision matrix, a tool that can streamline your decision-making process. Discover how automating decisions can free up mental space and minimize the risk of making poor choices. Learn how to use this tool to confidently navigate complex decisions in your life. Chapter 9: The Feedback Loop. Timely feedback is invaluable on the path to success. This chapter emphasizes the importance of seeking feedback as soon as possible and incorporating it into your endeavors. Understand how a feedback loop can serve as your personal trainer, guiding you toward continuous improvement. Learn how to establish feedback mechanisms in various aspects of your life. Chapter 10: Priority Sorting. Efficient success hinges on identifying and prioritizing tasks that yield the highest returns on your time and effort. This chapter underscores the significance of focusing on what truly matters. By learning to prioritize tasks based on their impact, you can maximize your productivity and multiply your results. Discover how to streamline your daily routine and ensure that you're always working on what counts. Conclusion. In conclusion, the path to success need not be long and strenuous. By recognizing and harnessing these hidden shortcuts, you can make remarkable progress toward your goals with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Success is attainable, and these shortcuts can serve as your guide to unlocking it. Keep in mind that these strategies are not shortcuts in the sense of circumventing hard work, rather, they are methods of optimizing your efforts and achieving success faster. Embrace these principles, and watch your journey towards success unfold with newfound ease and rapidity.